Hi everyone, we're going to solve trig equations. This is part 4 on the interval 0 to 2 pi. The first one we have is 4 times cosine squared of theta minus 3 equals 0. You're going to solve for cosine. So I added 3 to both sides, divide both sides by 4, and then square root both sides. Don't forget, when you square root both sides, put the plus and the minus. So you get cosine of theta equals plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. So you're going to have 4 solutions, and this is going to be pi over 6. It's your 6 families. So pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. Okay, the next one is 2 sine squared of theta equals 3 times 1 minus cosine of theta. And I'm going to write this as 2 times 1 minus cosine squared of theta equals 3 minus 3 cosine of theta. And this equals 2 minus 2 cosine squared of theta. Now, since this is negative, move everything over to the right. So you get 2 cosine squared of theta minus 3 cosine of theta plus 1. Let's see if I can factor this. It's going to be 2 cosine. They both have to be negatives ones. So let's do that. So here we set this to 0. For this one, set it to 0. So you have 2 cosine of theta minus 1 equals 0. So cosine of theta equals 1/2. Now that's going to occur at pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. And this one, you have cosine for this one, theta equals 1, and that happens at 0. Okay, it can't happen at 2 pi, because remember we're going from 0 to 2 pi, but it can't equal 2 pi. 2 pi is exclusive. So our 3 solutions are pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and 0. And the last one we have is sine of theta plus cosine of theta equals 0. So I'm going to subtract cosine from both sides. And I'm going to divide both sides by cosine. So you get tan of theta equals -1. Tan's negative in quadrant 2 and 4. And this is the -1, so that's going to be 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. This is your quadrant 1, and this was your quadrant 2. That's all. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.